It's so simple. How come nobody ever thought of this before? Hey guys, it's Brian at Two Indians. How's it going? I gotta tell you, you all know how many upgrades I've done to my bike. Whether it's that 19-inch wheel, the new fender, the Challenger headdress on the front, the 116 kit, the luggage rack, even that big, long, beautiful Buffalo brand horn. But there is one thing that I just added to my bike that I absolutely love. I think almost as much as anything else or more, and it's because I use it all the time. And that is this brand new Hardstreet Ryt-There Saddlebag Shelf Kit. It is amazing. Let me show you why. Now, if you're like me, you're tired of how much time you've spent endlessly digging for your keys, your wallet, your kickstand puck, granola bars, jerky, basically anything small that's important to keep handy. You start pulling all the stuff out of the bags, it winds up on the ground, and it's just a mess. What's a person to do? Get yourself a Ryt-There Saddlebag Shelf Kit, that's what. They're high quality American made products, and you can see it right away when you open the packaging. You know you're getting your money's worth in build quality and convenience. The packaging comes with easy to follow instructions, and everything makes sense right out of the box. But let's actually install these so you can see how simple it is. Heck, I mean, even I could do it. Okay, so this is real simple. You put in this plastic filler panel that's got adhesive on the back, and all that does is give you a smooth surface. Then you just peel off the paper to reveal the adhesive strip behind it, and then just walk it around the inside of the bag. Take your strong support shelf and just slide it into place. The instructions say to do the inside of the bag first and then drop the outside of the shelf into place. And then you just snap the support in. And we'll just go ahead and do the other side here while we're at it. Again, me not following instructions. But look how sturdy that is. Now that's not some Snoop Dogg material there, that's just some beef jerky. Hey, if you want some stickers, go to our website, Ride with Two Indians. Hey, while I'm at it, I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull this back out. Let's say you're going on a trip and you need to put something big in there, like a big camera bag. It'll just slide right in, and then all you have to do next is just grab the shelf units and slip them right in, and you're off to the races. And if you want to put it back in, let's say you finished your trip, pull your pieces out, remove your luggage, and then just snap it right back into place. It's that simple, folks. That is why I love this product. So just go to the Hardstreet website, and if you scroll down, you see that you can shop for Indian or Harley. And for Indian, you can get the rounded or the slammed bags, and you can get 3 different colors. I love that tan. I have the dark charcoal, as you saw in my bag, but you can also get it in a light gray, which is really nice and makes for great visibility inside the bag. Just go ahead and select it, and off you go. I mean, to tell you, there is nothing better than just being able to reach back into that saddlebag while I'm at a light or whatever and know that my phone or the bike keys or my earplugs or my kickstand puck or anything is just sitting right there within arm's reach. I never have to go searching for that stuff anymore. I absolutely love it. Guys, if there's anything that you want in your bike, it is this Hardstreet Ryt-There Shelf System. They're so convenient. They're made with materials that are first grade quality, and it's made right here in the US. And so you know you're not shipping all your money overseas to China. That is a good thing. Hands down, this is my favorite product. I know you guys are gonna like it too. All right? Thanks for watching. All right, one more time just for fun.
So now you're just
All right, 3, 2, 1.
These are a few of my favorite things.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Came out great.
Okay.